Nail the first and last boards firmly, then work toward the middle to keep baseboards straight along the entire run. Start by measuring and marking stud locations on the wall every 16 inches where possible, and transfer those marks onto the back of the baseboard so you know exactly where to place your nails. Use a combination of finish nails and a pneumatic or manual nail gun set to a depth that sinks the head just below the surface without damaging the face. If you are using hand tools, set a nail set to countersink each nail cleanly. Place one nail at each end of a board about 1/4 inch from the top to lock the ends in place, then add nails at the transferred stud locations for continuous support, spacing them about 16 inches when studs do not align exactly. For runs longer than 8 feet, apply an adhesive bead along the back of the board before fastening to prevent gaps and bowing between nails. Check alignment frequently by sighting along the top edge and tapping with a block and hammer to correct any twist before the adhesive skins over. When you reach corners or joins, leave one board slightly long and scribe the mating piece for a tight fit, then cut and fit before final nailing to avoid gaps that show misalignment. Common mistakes are driving nails only near the center, which lets ends pull away, overdriving nails until the board dings and bows, and failing to transfer stud locations, resulting in nails that miss framing. If you only nail the center move and nail both ends first to pin the board and then secure the studs so the ends stay flush. If nails are overdriven, pull them out and either fill and re-nail slightly offset or plug and replace that section to restore strength without splitting. If you miss studs, use construction adhesive and add finishing nails into the wall with anchors, or use longer nails that reach framing, and always double check your transferred marks before fastening. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by making it easy for people to post jobs and search for local professionals who want work. We host a discussion community where we share tips, troubleshooting, and real project photos to help everyone get better results.